Kim Chiu makes history, first Filipino nominated at the Asian Grammy Awards. Kim Chiu has made history by becoming the first Filipino ever nominated at the Asian Grammy Awards. This is a huge milestone for her and for Filipino talent on the global stage. Let's dive into how Kim reached this incredible achievement and what it means for her future. Kim Chiu, fondly known as the Chinite Princess, has once again proven that her talent knows no bounds. The celebrated Filipina actress and performer has achieved a groundbreaking milestone as the first Filipino to be nominated at the prestigious Asian Grammy Awards. This historic moment has sent waves of pride and excitement throughout the Philippines and the global entertainment community. Kim Chia's nomination is a monumental achievement not just for her career but also for Filipino artists striving to make their mark internationally. Her nomination comes in recognition of her exceptional contributions to the entertainment industry, highlighting her undeniable talent and influence across Asia. The Asian Grammy Awards, which honor outstanding achievements in music and performance across the region, is one of the most highly anticipated events in the Asian entertainment calendar. Kim's nomination solidifies her status as a true global star and a trailblazer for Filipino talent. In an emotional social media post, Kim expressed her disbelief and gratitude, saying, "OMG! Is this for real? Hala! Nakakaiyak naman, to. I feel like crying." Fans and colleagues flooded her posts with congratulations, hailing her as an inspiration to many. This nomination adds to an already stellar year for Kim Chiu. She recently bagged the Outstanding Asian Star Award at the 2024 Seoul International Drama Awards, representing the Philippines and receiving international praise for her acting prowess. Her role in the Philippine adaptation of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim further showcased her versatility and depth as an actress, earning her critical acclaim. Kim's nomination has sparked celebrations across the Philippines, with fans proudly rallying behind her. Social media platforms are abuzz with hashtags like #ProudOfYouKim and #PinoyPride, emphasizing the collective joy and pride felt by her supporters. As the award ceremony approaches, the anticipation continues to build. Whether she takes home the award or not, Kim Chia's nomination alone has cemented her legacy as a Filipino icon making waves on the international stage. This historic moment is not just a personal victory for Kim but a win for Filipino representation in global entertainment. Here's to more milestones for the Chinite Princess, as she continues to break barriers and inspire millions. Kim Chia's nomination is just the beginning of her incredible journey. What do you think about her historic achievement? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting celebrity updates. See you in the next video.